Hello everyone, myself Brunda. I am studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in 6M. Let me look over about template inheritance. The contents are introduction, benefits, when to use and how does it work, and finally the conclusion. Let me look over about the introduction. Template inheritance is a powerful concept in web development and programming, particularly in frameworks that use templating engines such as Django, Flash, Jinja, and others. It allows developer to create reusable layouts and structures for web pages, improving code organization, readability, and maintenance. Template inheritance is a technique where you define a base or parent template that contains the common elements of your site like header, footer, navigation bar, and then create child template that inherited from the base template. Child template can then override specific blocks or sections of the parent template while keeping the overall structure intact. Code reusability. By defining a base template that contains common elements like header, footer, navigation, you can reuse this layout across multiple pages without duplicating code. This reduces redundancy and makes your code base cleaner and more maintainable. Consistency. It helps maintain a consistent look and feel across your website. The common element defined in a base template ensure that all pages adhere to same styling and structure, enhancing users' experience and brand identity. Efficiency. When you need to make changes to the layout or structure of your site, you only need to update the base template. These changes automatically propagate to all the child template that inherited from it, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Separation of concerns. Template inheritance encourages a separation between the presentation, HTML structure and layout, and content, specific page content. This separation makes your code base more modular and easier to manage as changes to layout do not affect the content and vice versa. Scalability. As your website grows and evolves, template inheritance allows you to scale your development efforts efficiently. New pages can quickly inherit the existing layout and structure, reducing the time needed to create and display the new content. Maintenance. It simplifies maintenance tasks by centralizing the common element in one place. This makes it easier to debug the issues and implement updates across the entire site, ensuring consistency and reliability. When to use reusable components. If there are the reusable components or widgets that appear on many pages, template inheritance helps in centralizing their definition and ensures consistency in their appearance and functionality. Modular development. When you want to separate the presentation layer from the business logic or content, template inheritance facilitates this separation, making your code base more modular and easier to maintain. Consistent layout. When most or all the pages of your site share a common structure such as header, footer, navigation menu, and sidebar, template inheritance allows you to define this layout once in a base template and reuse it across multiple pages. Efficient updates. If you are anticipate the need to make changes to the layout or structure of your site in the future, template inheritance simplifies this process. Updates mode made to be the base template automatically reflect in all the child templates, ensuring uniformity and saving development time. Team collaboration. In large development teams, template inheritance promotes collaboration by providing a clear and standardized approach to structuring web pages. It allows front-end and back-end developers to work independently on their respective tasks without overlapping concerns. How does it work? Base template, also known as the parent template, it typically includes the common HTML structure and elements that are shared across multiple pages of a website. It defines block tags that child templates can override. Where it is the program of the base or the parent template, we need to define the HTML and the header tag, and the title we start with the block title and we can give any default title, and we need to end the block and we need to end the title, and we need to end the overall head tag, and where the body will be begin with the header tag. We need to give the header with the h1. We can give the my website, and we can use the navigation key. In the under the navigation key, you can use the UL and LI keys. UL and LI ARF home and about contact, and we close the UL key, navigation key, and finally header key, and the block content in the main key. We can enter the any of the block content. finally with the footer where the ending of the footer will be, and finally the end of the body and HTML will be take place, where we use the keys like title, header, body, main key, UL, navigation keys, and the footer key. Child templates. These templates inherited from the base template using a extend tag and can override specific blocks defined in the parent templates. What is the use of the child templates is nothing but where the extension of the parent template by using the same parent template, like no only the we use the tag like extend child HTML extend base template block same, and we need to use the block title and end the block. Next we can give the h2 child page content. This is specific content for the child page paragraph, and finally again we need to end the block. The child template is foremostly used for the extension of the base template. What we return in the base we use for the extension purposely. Conclusion. In the realm of web development, template inheritance emerges as a pivotal strategy for crafting cohesive and maintainable website, where the template inheritance is mainly used for the maintaining of the website, like what we use for the parent template and extension of the child template with the help of the extend tag, and the base template it is used the mainly tags like block content. In the title we use the block and block content title extension of the all the parent template is been extended by the child template. By establishing a hierarchical structure where a base template defines common elements like headers, footers, and navigation, and child template extend and customize these components as needed, developers achieve significant efficiency gains. Where the parent template was uses the elements like headers, we use the header tag h1. In the header tag we use h1 and all, and finally where the footer tag also used by the parent template, and in the navigation key we use the ul. In the ul we use the li keys references and all. Finally after this defined by the base template, it will be extended by the child template. This approach fosters code reusability, ensuring consistent design across multiple pages while promoting modular development practices that separate presentation from content. Moreover, template inheritance supports scalability by simplifying update and addition to the web pages, making it essential tools for team collaborating on diverse and evolving web project. Ultimately, its benefit in enhancing productivity, maintaining consistency, and facilitating collaborative development underscore score its role as a cornerstone technique in modern web development workflow. Thank you.